All right. It should work now. Great. Excellent. See if audio works. Excellent. All right. So, getting up on the trading day. It's 8:27. It's a very late start. Um, but it's okay. It doesn't actually affect my trading style. So that's totally cool with me. Awesome. Awesome. So gold, let's see what happened yesterday, this trade. Um, the last trade of the day was a 15-minute intuitive trade here where it went, where was it? Right here. I got in at this low here and it went up. So 25, it went 25% into the account, um, into drawdown or whatever, and then it came up and went about 1.25 and then stopped out. So luckily, I got out at a 1-to-1, and that was a double trade. That was 9 apples reward. So it puts us at negative $55 on the day. So now we're starting over, right? We're starting again, a full new trading day. Just want to clear the charts quick. NQ is about to pop off because it's 8:30. Crude oil and gold has already begun its trading day because they start at 8. That's certainly an area of supply here. I just want to see. So let's look at crude oil on the daily. So this is the daily chart. It's poked its head over these distal lines. What does it look like on the weekly? All right, uptrend came up big time here, and then come down, big slam down, and then it's rallied. Is this rally a weak rally coming off this? I don't know. Not sure about that. Daily coming down. It's getting squished here. So on the daily, I would go long because it's really getting squished down here. Um, there's been quite a gap though. I must say there's been quite a gap. That's a gap on the. That's not a contractual gap. So it gapped up big time. I just noticed that, and now it's gonna try to fill the gap. That's important to know. Where is this gap? Gap is from all the way down here is where it closed yesterday. Let's take a look at the 60-minute chart. It doesn't look like it closed yesterday there. I mean, this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 1500 right here. And then, overnight it went up. I don't see any gap. Let's go 1440 daily chart. I think the daily is just messed up a little bit. Yeah. The daily is just, I think, till 1600 or something. I don't know why it doesn't include the overnight. It doesn't make any sense actually, because usually all the daily candles include overnight. This one doesn't. 1600. I mean, it's not daily should include overnight action. Otherwise there would be gaps all over the place. Hmm. This is very strange, actually. I might have to look into this right now, just because I don't want to just continue without knowing. Okay, there's a big gap. That was a contract gap. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this rally up here. Apparently it's not showing on the daily chart. So let's take a look at the daily. Let's take a look at 10. Let's take a look at this one. There was a gap here too. 10:12 it closed at 82.91. 10:12 82.91. 10:12 82.91. 10:12 82.91. 1600 and 10:12 close 83.50. I don't know where you got 82.91. I don't know where you're getting that. was a Thursday. What is going on with this freaking chart, man? Daily. Let's look at this yet. Just look at yesterday. All right, 1013. 1013 closed 87.69. 1013 closed 87.69. 1013 87.69. 1013 87.69. Nope. None of those are 87.69s. I mean, it's around there, but it's still no. So 1600 it closed here. 1600 closed there, and then it woke up at what, 8? I mean, what are you gonna say the daily starts at? So strange. Nearby, but that doesn't. No, this is messed up, dude. So weird. I mean, this was at yesterday close, bro. What? Yesterday close is right here. 85.44. 85.44. Let's just put 85.44. 44. Where did you get this close? I mean, it went up a couple bucks just overnight. Yeah. I don't understand that. Huh. Let's just do CLZ23. All right, daily chart. There was definitely gap. This is just this one. So this is, there you go. This is where it closed, man. That's where it closed. But then 15-minute chart does not say that it closed there. There is no 44. Telling you, there is no 44 that it closed at. What the fuck? All right, I need some help here. La 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 la. Doesn't make any sense. The daily chart has a freaking gap, but then the intraday time frame does not. What the fuck, dude? Fuck. Um, there you go. All right, single bar market activity from 9:30 to 4. 9:30 to 4 doesn't make any sense here, right? 9:30 to 4. 9:30 to 4. Okay. 1600. Closed is 8641, dude. They say 44 is closed. This is way off. If that's what the parameters are. Doesn't make any sense. Like I said, it doesn't make any sense. And 3 o'clock doesn't make any sense either. What about the open? What about the open? The open is 8641. 8641. 8641. Would it be 9:30? Open. What about 8:30? Dude, it's not even close to 8641. Bro, what the fuck, dude? I am so confused right now on this. It doesn't make any freaking sense. I can't trade with huge confusion like that, dude. That makes no sense. Does TradingView have that? Screw it. Let's look at NinjaTrader. Maybe it's just a TradeStation thing. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the daily. There's a huge gap. It doesn't show data box. All right. Shoot. All right. The daily open is daily open is 85.69. Close 85.44. Now you go to the 5-minute chart. Screw it. 60-minute chart. And you look at the same thing and you see 85.69. That's the open. 44 is the close. There's the close. Where on earth, you know? Ooh, this opens 85.69. So 1800 open. Good. I like it. We got something. We got the open matched up. So this closes at 1600 and it goes to 1800. Boom. We got the open. The open makes sense to me now. Now it creates the day, anything from 1800 to 1600. But then this 1600 is closing at 86.41, which is way up here. It closes there, dude, not down here. Where did you get 44? Where did you get 44? So this is on TradeStation and NinjaTrader. Let's look at the open. Um, the open for this would be at 1800, which is right here. This open is 85.54. It's not even the same thing as NinjaTrader's open. And they're both the same contract. Oh dear. Oh dear. $85.69 on the. Oh my gosh, man. Open is 85.69. That makes sense. What about the 15-minute chart? 1800. Bruv. Oh, 1017. Sorry, I'm not looking at the right one. Right? Yeah, 1016, 1800. Oh my goodness, bro. So this opens at 85.54. But the 60-minute bar. Bro, what the fuck? So it closes at 1800. That means this opened, this one, opens at 85.69. This is bad, man. This is making no sense at all. Making no sense at all. All right, 1800. Boom, 1800. Opens at 55. Bro, where did you get 69? What's open on this one? 85.69. So why is the 60-minute open different than the 5-minute open? 85.69. 85.54 is the open. Bro, what the fuck? This makes little to no sense. Alright. Whatever, dude. Fuck you. It makes no sense to me. Fucking no sense at all, dude. I'm gonna have to dive into this because it doesn't make any sense. You know? The daily picture doesn't even work. Doesn't make any sense, dude. Seriously. Anyways, it's already hit my freaking entry and it dropped down. Nice. That's to be explained. Obviously, it went 1-to-1 already. I'm gonna just chill out on this. Let's look at NQ, bro. The daily picture yesterday's open was 305.75. 305.75. 305.75. Oh, it goes 17:15. There's only 15 minute. Wait a second. 1800 starts at 17:15. There's only an hour. That makes sense now. Let's go back to crude oil and let's go to 15-minute chart and go to the 17:15 instead of 18. There you go. Open is 85.69. Awesome. Now it should close at 69 though, to be honest with you. Or 44, excuse me. There is no close at 44. There's never a close at 44. So the close is messed up. The open I understand. The open I totally understand. But the close doesn't make any sense. Look on the daily chart. The daily close of yesterday. The close is 87.16. If you go to the 15-minute, 5-minute at that, 87.16. What? Oh my gosh, bro. You gotta be kidding me. This close. 85.44. Sorry. 85.44. 85.44. Right here. That's literally the opening and the close. What about this close? 44 is 44 anywhere? No. 44 is nowhere. Why is crude oil's close 85.44? The close is messed up. Messed up, man. Okay, cool. Um, huh. I don't know, man. What the fuck, bro? Is there any 44 anywhere? Close of 44. There is no close of 44 at the 60-minute. Hmm. Yeah, makes no sense, bro. Whatever. Got me flustered, dude, because it just doesn't make any sense to me. Doesn't make any sense. Where's the daily close on this one? Closed yesterday at 240.75. 240.75. 242.75. Bro, what the fuck? 240.75. It's not there. Hold up then. They could average the open, high, low, close of this bar. But why would they choose 15 minutes? No, it doesn't make any sense there. Look for a gap. Yesterday closed at 1800. There it is. 1600. The close is 242.5. I'm getting on the line with TradeStation. Support help, please.
press 1. For margin inquiries, press 2. For problems accessing your account, press 3. For questions related to transferring funds, billing,
The chop is real. The chop is real. The chop is real. The chop is real. La 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 la. Okay, this is interesting. Yesterday, this was our move. This was our zone. Oh yes, hello.
Hey, thank you for holding. I was inquiring with our team here. They say that looks like the exchanges report a different value for for close daily. I need to get more information on that exactly what's the reasoning behind it. But it looks like sometimes they don't match when you look at the last bar for that day comparing with a minute bar from the last day.
Um, yeah.
So
I
usually two sessions are from 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. next day. So let's say you're looking at, I'm looking now at October 13th, and I'm comparing the last bar on the minute on the 17th, and time, and I'm seeing just this 0.2 difference. So yeah, I need to get more information on why there could be some differences. I can inquire with the data team and then give you a call back to let you know more
that
details. Okay?
that would be awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have my
Any other
number?
questions?
You have this number?
Okay, 10. Yep.
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No, no problem. All right. Have a good one.
Yeah, you
Bye.
too. Bye. Awesome, dude. I'm reaching out and getting answers as to why that's all messed up, but until then, we'll trade. All right, now we got to get going. All right, so this breaks is high. Top 05, yes. Oh, man. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. All right, this was a lot more bullish than I had thought, which is awesome. Um, yeah, man, I'm bullish on this thing. I'd like to see some type of holding level. I could see a breakout here. Um, but I could also see it breaking out and then using that split again. So I could actually just take the split. You don't necessarily need to take the breakout. Let's just do a 1-to-1 on the breakout and take the split at the same time. I'm done with that. Let's do it. MNQ long, breakout, 16.25. Now the trading begins. 594. 595 is the trade. All right. Still doesn't want to. Let's see if it does this. This would be an excellent split here. Very strong. That'd be that'd be 4 contracts long of the micros. If it wants to turn upwards, might not. 369,258,147. So it has one more minute until it closed. The 5-minute really gets squished down. Look at that. In that sense, if it gets squished down like this, I would take a comeback bar protection, which is down to here. It's a little difficult to take those. Yeah, look at that, bounce back up to 1-to-1. I don't know if it'll get up to there. Yeah, the comeback bar protection did happen. Look at that. So it comes back and shows that comeback bar protection where it's like this green body is so squished down before it wants to form a hammer, it prevents the hammer from happening. And you can get a 1-to-1 bounce pretty much all the time, in my opinion at least. I can totally see that happening. Darn. Yeah, so, but the bounce is only worthwhile for a little bit until you get to there. So, here I would be weary. I would get out of my longs at that point. So I'm long until then though. I like it. I like it a lot. This 3-minute bar, if this happens to actually break out of here, that's crazy. Wow. No, there it goes. Excellent. Excellent. I like it. I like it. This is an H setup. 16.25, 4 contracts long, market order. Boom. We're in.
Order filled.
Excellent. Excellent job. We just did market order. You could call it a holding level creation. Let's just do that. That's a little easier to say. 595, 3-minute time frame. This is a bullish formation, no doubt. There's no doubt in my mind. 236 is my my target. 236. Get out of here. Don't go to my target yet. 236. There you go. My stop loss is this low. 1450. So one tick. 1425. 1425. 1425. What was that? That's wrong. 05. 4.75. Sorry. There you go. $100 for 150. Fine with me. All right. This is a holding level creation. 1-to-1.
Order filled.
16.25. Ooh, that stopped out. Just like that. Just like that. That was an absolute trickery. Absolute trickery right there. If you actually can see it, it wasn't a full. It wasn't a full. So that's a good point to make. Three-minute holding level creation. Protecting free space of 2 or 3, probably 2. Not full. Not full at all. So 0 NA. 4.3 Apple, and it's $100. $100. Say 105. 3.5 apples. All right, we're still going. Like it though. It's crushing. This is way crushing. I'm bullish on this thing if it breaks this low. Bullish on the split. It's already showing retracement. No more. Let's look at gold. Gold's coming down big time. Okay. But it was way up. Yes, it was. Very. Okay. Way up. Big day today. Just a bullish candle. Fat candle. Coming up, breaking this distal line, coming down. Definitely going to play on the other side of this distal line here at this point. Let's see where it can catch. Probably catch around here. That would make sense to me. What about the 60-minute? Yeah, that would still make sense. Perfect sense, actually. So at this point, you could go short. Looks like it's already came up, retested this supply zone and coming downwards. And it's short now. It's just short weather. Yeah, man, I would just go short. Don't know how else to tell you that. Don't know how else to get in, actually, except just sell, you know. So, we've missed that train a bit. So, all right. Look at that, just go more. Breaks this low. If it breaks this low, yeah, it's sending, dude. Look at that go. It breaks the low. See you later. I think it'll come back into here. If it tests this area way down here, I'll consider buying. I'll consider buying for sure. NQ, yeah, man, turns around. It's formed a holding split here. Oh, I could have taken that actually. I could have taken that breakout because that's a great spot for holding split, dude. Look at that go too. Look at it work. We'll wait. That's excellent, but we'll wait. I think on the other side of this distal line could be a pocket of space that would work, in my opinion. Especially if it breaks it on this bar. Anything past distal lines I like to take. 7.75. Buy. Ah, fuck. I can't take buys without measuring. I'm gonna have to miss this trade, but I'm marking it down as I wanted to take that. I wanted to take that. Oh my gosh, I can still take it. Wait, hold on. How much risk? Int 7.75. Darn it, already taken it. 9 contracts. That's just one macro. One of these.
Order
Bought.
filled.
We're in. Excellent. We're taking this down to there. Stop loss is 46.50. 46.50. $200 risk. Target. I don't know yet. Hold on.
Order filled.
Boom. Stopped. Stop. $200 risk. 36.6 apples. Negative 6.6. Darn. That sucks. Um, 3-minute int. Zero and a. Good. I like it. I like it. Take a pick, delete. I'd be in again.
Order filled.
I'm in again. We gotta set stops. Right here. And we'll go double it. I'd go for a 1-to-1 here.
Order
For
filled.
1-to-1 here. And 15.75. 2 macros. This is triple. Triple because confident. Stop loss is 36.50. Repeat, 36.50. 585 I'm risking, which is 19.5 apples. 19.5 apples. I'm going for a 1-to-1 here, which is 166 at the very least. 166. 595, which is about the same. 19.8 apples. Excellent. This is 932, 597. Did you happen to take a picture of this? No, you didn't. There you go. 597, 3 minute. Doesn't look good, gents. Doesn't look good at all. I was thinking it could bounce. It doesn't look like there's any buyers for me. It's a bummer.
Order filled.
Out. 0, NA, negative 19.8 apples. Damn, that's a big bruiser. $5.98. Take a pick. All right. Let's delete that. Still think it can go up, man. Maybe it's just gonna sail away and break these lows. I still think it's gonna go up. I'm gonna have to
Order filled.
buy 2 again. Boom. Boom. Where are my stop losses? Yeah, my stop is at this low. At least a 1-to-1.
Order rejected.
139, 140. Stop loss. Let's take a picture of this. $5.98. My target's 140, which is about 1-to-1. 8.75. Stop loss at this low, 2150. 2150. 625. 625 divided by 30. 20.8 apples. Risk 3175. Yep, that's what's going on. My target's 140.
Order
485.
filled.
Out. Stopped. 20.8 apples. 936. 598. 1. Damn. Damn.
Order rejected.
MNQZ23. As
Order,
many as possible.
order
Okay,
rejected.
cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay. We have bought this again. Hold on. I gotta close this one out. There you go, $5.99. Where's my entry? 10.75. 10.75. Definitely trying to catch this thing here. I think it'll give you 2 to 1. Now 1 to 1. That's what I'm doing. It's the risk I'm taking. Int 15.5. 938, 599, 1. This is a 3-minute int over extreme past distal lines. What am I risking? 94.95, so basically 95 is my stop loss. 95 is my stop loss, which is 95 is my stop loss. Oops. 252. 252 plus 625. 877 divided by 30. 29.2. 29.2 apples risk. My target is 1 to 1 is 126.75. 127, call it. 127. 655. 655 plus 259. 914 divided by 30 is about 30.5 apples is my target, and that's a 1 to 1. We're trying to get it to bounce to this area, to 1 to 1 target. We'll see. We will see. It could go 2 to 1, to be honest with you, because this has just been boom, boom, boom. Could go 2 to 1 if you want to do it. Look at this holding level creation. This was a holding level creation right here. And now it's going to be used as a zone. We'll see if it works though. Holding level. 23.25. It's 3 apples there, or 3 contracts.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
There we go.
Order rejected.
184. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it be. So that's working really
Order
well.
filled.
Oh, we are. We're in 10. All right, so now we've got 3 full contracts going. 288 plus 655.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
128. Isn't that right? Yeah. Boom. Big, big, big bucks. $31.4. Closer to 25% or 50? 50. Whatever. Anyways, that was big, big trade here. Take a picture of that. Well, we needed the bounce at some point. Oh wow, that works. Yeah, so we'll see though. See about everything else. Very bullish, man. Very bullish. Okay. Well, we're still down quite a few here, boys. 19.3. 579. 100 off somehow. It's alright. That's bullish, man. There you go. That's very, very bullish.
Order filled.
There you go. Extra stingy. Look at that. Perfecto. By multiple.
Order rejected.
Perfecto. Love it. Love to see it. 1-to-1, baby. Where's my entry? 57.3. 57.3, which is 25% coupon on this whole thing. 3.1. What do you call it? Holding level. Target's at 61.4. Great trade here. Pivot in the zone is my stop now. 56 flat. His of 400. His of 13.3. Original stop placement was this low, 55.1. Original risk was $670 divided by 30, which is 22.3 apples. There you go. Call this zone 600. This was a 60-minute holding level, protecting free space of 3. E of 3. Outside local distal line, recency of 2-3 magnitude of 4-3, X score of 5. It's gone 0.75 to 1 with a PIS placement of 75% in the zone and where it turned. My reward on the trade would be 1220. 1220 divided by 30 bucks is 40.7 apples. 40.7 apples, which would be a huge trade. This is 25% off coupon, so going for a 1-to-1 with 25% off, it's about I think 1.5 to 1 at least. Let's look. Coupons. 1-to-1. It's a 1.6. It's a 1.66. 1 2/3. Just a 1-to-1 is a 1.6 to 1. If you have a 25% off coupon on the zone. Boom, we hit. Target hit. Trade is over for me, but I'm definitely gonna still track this thing and see how far it can get. I think it could have created its low at this point. That is precisely the trade that I wanted to see. Precisely. Excellent trade, actually. That's why I had to buy it. I had to go in, and I went in on full size. Here's the problem. My risk is just crazy. It goes full size. Look, I can't go full size. I have to measure before. But it happens so quick, dude. I don't know, man. It just happens so quick. I have to anticipate. I'm learning. I'm learning how to anticipate. But man, it's hard. It's just hard. That's all I can say. Anyways. on the smaller time frames. Wow, it went up pretty well. At this point, I feel like it would be a smart idea to do an H setup right here. Even right here on this body. Wouldn't it? Doesn't it make sense to do that? Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. 1.2. MGC long HSS 1.2. Buy now, buy now, buy now. One contract. Buy now. Buy.
Order filled.
Good. Yep. Take a picture. I like that trade. For a 1-to-1, absolutely, dude. 100%, bro. Love it. Love to see that. I think so. I mean, look at the 60-minute as well. I mean, my stop is at 57.8, whatever this low is. Yeah, 57.8. And then my target's 60.5. I'll call it 60.6 because I am that way. What? Hold up. Why is 170 risk for this? 59.1 should have been my entry. 59.5 was my entry. Ew. That's why. Brutal. That's why market orders suck. Limit orders rock. Should have did my limit order. But like I said, I would have missed the trade, dude. I'm telling you.
Order filled.
One of the orders were hit. Target was hit. 0%. I say this because it's coming from a 60-minute. It's protecting a 60-minute pivot, and that 60-minute pivot was important. That's all that I'm trying to say here. 3-minute. That's all that I wanted. Just that demand open, and it worked out really well. Worked out really well. That's really all I want. I don't. I'm not going for a 3-to-1. I just want that bounce. I think that's worth it. To be honest with you. The risk was 4.8, so let's do 170 for 100. Late entry, negative 25%. Yep, that means 25% out of the zone. It's gone 1.5 actually. 170 bucks risk. 170 divided by 30 is 5.7. 5.7. I only made 100 bucks on it, which is 3.3 apples. Let's take a look back at MNQ. What's happening? All right, this one's done. It's still rallying downwards. I am still gonna buy this zone. There's 3 contracts at 88.5. 3 contracts, I repeat, at 88.5. MNQZ23. 88.5, I repeat, 88.5. 3 contracts, 88.5. It's almost there. Stop loss 65.25. Stop loss 65.25. There, yeah, there you go. Target, you know, something up to here, I guess. I don't know. 1-to-1, whatever that is. Probably right here. 113. I don't know if it'll hit. One, 1, 2. 12. Whatever. Just say 12. 112 is my target. we go. That's my trade. It's setting up. 1.75. 5.99 is printed. 5.99 is printed. It's done. We can delete it. The only other trade right now is this holding level right here, which it's a 3-minute. Yeah, it's a 3-minute holding level. Look at that. It's a 3-minute holding level, low, protecting free space of 1. It does do distal lines. These low trades like this next to the pivot right here, they seem to make regional distal lines. So I wouldn't actually be surprised if it bounces up from here. This is near the zone. I wouldn't count it as a touch. Because that's a regional distal line. You could call it as a touch. Sometimes I mark trades as touched if it's within 25% of the zone, which it is. So it's within 10% of the zone. So that's a really close brush up against our zone here. And I usually make my zones small enough, I guess. And you could possibly take a coupon on this trade. You could take a 50% off coupon if you wanted to. It's just smaller probability of winning, I guess. I don't know. I mean, you could. Let's take a 50% off coupon. That's 6 contracts at 78.5. 6 contracts at 78.5. 78.5. Whatever. 6 contracts at 78.5. There we go. Low is 66 flat. Is that right? Gotta be careful. 66 flat, that's right. Target would be 112, I remember that. 112. Excellent. Excellente. Not traded yet, but we'll see. Let's see how far this gold trade did. So it ended up going 2-to-1. It's interesting. It actually did break that high, which is interesting. Oh yeah, we should do H setups. That's X2. X core for all H-S's. All right, 10:01. All right, no more trades. No more trades. Canceling this order. We have no positions on, so that's it. So that's it on the day. Up 632. Risky day. Very volatile, but it's all right. We did all right. NQ. It's creating a regional distal line anyways, which lowers the percentage of profit, which means it just lowers the percentage win rate on the trade because it turns right before entry. That's why I always want to capture it before it turns. But it's already turned. It's already gone to my target, which is 112 right here. It's gone right there to 112. So not in it right now. So let's just hold. I do want to see what this zone does. So we'll see that tomorrow or later in the day today. There was nothing. There was 2 trades here that are ongoing that I'm just marking down. There's a holding level, which is a 60-minute, and then there's a small time frame H setup, which is I've been long gone with that one. I've been out of that for a while. So, but it worked really well. I'm saying that those 1-to-1s really work out well. And you can actually it goes so quick too. So, anyways, up 632. Excellent day.